Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I am doing a product review which I used on this journal page. I got this product last night. It's from the Scotch. They sent it to me, and it's the Scotch decorative masking tape, and it's part of their Scotch Expressions line. And I got the fuchsia color. It's 1 inch by 20 yards, and it comes in various colors and patterns, which is right here. And it says here, easy to tear, paper finish. Write on it with a pen, pencil, or marker. Adhesive holds securely yet removes cleanly. Works great with the entire Scotch Expression line. So what I did last night was I did the page and then I did the review on the Scotch brand website, and I'll link to the website in the description below when I upload this video. So what I did was I did the old technique with you use painter's tape for this, but I used the expression masking tape and it works just as well. I tore long pieces off, but for demonstration purposes I'm only going to tear a little bit, and it tears really nicely. You can see the white finish on there, and that's fine, especially for this technique. And then I tore each piece. I used like a couple pieces of, longer strips. I tore them each in half, and I wasn't sure how tacky this would be because I didn't want the paper from the journal page coming up on the back of the tape when I take this off. So I did put it on my jeans to take some of the tack off when I did this, and I just laid it like that in various spots like so. Then I took that Illusion spray and funky fuchsia because I wanted to match the color of the tape. I didn't want it to clash too well, and I sprayed bits all over the page. I forgot to use my water spray bottle. I forgot to bring it upstairs with me when I went to grab these. So there's still some splotches. I don't know if you can see that. That was okay, and I did wipe some of the excess ink off with a paper towel, which is somewhere, but anyway. So once I let that I sprayed and patted the excess off, I did take the tape off, and as you saw, I didn't take the tack, some of the tack off with my jeans when I put it on this page right now. And I just took it off, and there's no paper on that tape, and it's still sticky, and that's what you get there. And then I let it dry a little bit more, and then I took the plastic canvas circle and laid it on various parts of the page as I sprayed the Delusions white linen ink on here, and I love this spray. And then I let that dry a little bit more. I let it air dry because I didn't bring up my heat gun with me. So after it was, a lot drier than it was, I took some more of the tape. Same thing as I showed before. I longer strips than these, but I tore some off here, and then I tore it in half, and then I just put it on the page. I didn't take the take the tape and put it on the jeans and take the tack off because I wanted all the tack on there because I'm leaving it on the page. And then I went to test some various pens. First thing I did, First thing I did, I took the big marker and went around the edges of the tape. I did a little bit of the tape and then on the page, and it went really well on there. And then I took my big my big pen in black, and I wrote caution, caution. And then I took another pen. I wanted to try out various types of pens on here to see if they really will work on here. And this is the Bic Crystal in blue, and I used it right here, and it says this is a test, and I did have to write it a couple times. I think it was not because it didn't take on here, just to make sure it will show up nicely when I run on here. That's why I went over it a couple times. And then down here, let's see, I can zoom in. I wrote, like I said, this is a test, and here I wrote only a test, and I know you can't see it. I should have used a different color. I should have used the purple one in this. This is the one I used. This is Ink by Ink, and it's the R2 Blast in pink. I should have used the purple. I got this at Dollar Tree, and at first I tried to use this pen, and this is the Pro Marks, excuse me. Pro Marks pen. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I tried writing it on here. It didn't show, so it didn't work for this one. But then I tried the Purple Jelly Roll by Sakura. It worked, but you couldn't really read it because this is a light purple. And so finally, like I said, I used the R2 Blast, and that worked nicely, but like I said, you can't really read it because this is a pink and this is a fuchsia. It sort of blends in together, so I might go over this with the purple of this pen. And that's about it. I like the tape. It worked really nicely. It, does have a nice sticky to it. It comes right up when you lift it up, and it didn't take the paper off of here onto put it on the tape. The tape's not coming up when I put it on here, and you can write on it. And I haven't tried the pencil. I didn't think of using a pencil, and it does take most pens really nicely on here. So I give it a good review, and so check them out. And like I said, I'm going to post a link to their website in the description below. And thanks for watching.